Mga kaibigan, it is Palawan of Island Garden City of Samal. Mga kaibigan, makikita niyo. Yan. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. For those people who are not yet followed and subscribed, please subscribe and follow our Facebook page, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much to all the people around the earth, to all my organic followers, especially big shout out to all of you, mga kaibigan. It is because without you, without your fully support, without your strength and the power, this Facebook page becomes nothing and useless, our YouTube channel also, no? Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. Maliligo pa ho tayo, no? Andito ho si Mrs., mga kaibigan, because my biyanan, my mother-in-law, there is a karamdaman in Bisaya, no? Thank you so much. So, ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Forward ka. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan, in which nandito ho tayo, no? Maganda ho dito, mga kaibigan. It is our liguanan in which the people who can and pray to swim here without any bills, without to pay anything here. So that's why I am here. Come here. So ano no, mga kaibigan, nililinisan ho. It is because later we will going to have this kinds of the shoreline, mga kaibigan, in which kakailanganin po ito, no? Especially malaki po ang ano ko dito, no? So thank you so much. Maliligo po ang iyong lingkod, mga kaibigan. So we are here try to look for the view. Hindi masyadong malayo. Try to look for the view here, mga kaibigan. So ganun no? Thank you so much to all of you, especially for those people who are the newly came here, no? The fresh water. Parat. No, it's so salty. Welcome to Palawan Island Garden City of Samal, mga kaibigan. It is a Palawan Island Garden City of Samal. We are free to swim here without any bills, without anything that you to thank to pay for everything, no? We are also free all of here, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much ho. No, mga kaibigan, especially I would like to encourage of you, especially for those tourists who are visited in different island here in the Philippines, that one of the most attractive to the tourists and the most attractive tourism here in the country, and the beautiful island and the beautiful beaches here is only for the Island Garden City of Samal. Is the one of those, mga kaibigan. No, thank you so much all of you. So I hope sana, we hoping so much to all the visitors, especially those visitors who are willing to come here and to witness the beautiful island of the Samal, especially the very clearer water. No, thank you so much, mga kaibigan. So maraming salamat.